Man, I'm finna tell y'all. This is what I got to hear at 9 a.m. in the morning. I don't have to get up in the morning. Why there's a fire alarm going? You see, where's this thing at? You see that? They want to do a test, a fire alarm test at 9 o'clock in the morning. Who get up at 9 o'clock? Then you want to send me an email and tell me, oh, it's gonna be a fire alarm test. I don't get up in the morning and see no email. Then we had to walk outside. And then they want to write stuff on the door, something, oh, you can go back inside. You know what? I guess I can go eat breakfast. Because now I'm laying over here because I fell asleep on the couch last night. Laid up over there, then I got to hear this in the morning. What are you doing that? You do not understand my frustration right now. Yes. And this one I got to hear in the morning to wake up my sleep. Are you serious? This is the done. I'm so serious. My face look all messed up. You just don't understand. I can't even go to sleep. They want to do a fire alarm test. Why are you waking up people in the middle of their sleep? I don't understand. This is ridiculous. Now, this is how I look in the morning. I look messed up. You know what? I'm just about to go to breakfast. I'm about to fill myself up. And I'm going to breakfast like this. This is how I'm dressed. I'm going to breakfast just like this in my robe. I should have gone my birthday suit. You want to wake me up? I show you what I look like when you want to wake me up. Oh, now they want to cut it off. Now it's finna come off. Facebook, I'll see y'all later. I'm about to go eat some breakfast. This some bullshit. Charles out that thing. Love y'all. Hey, don't forget about my birthday. Huh? April 29th. Love you all. All this shit on my mouth. That's mad. Alright.